Hi everyone, a very warm welcome back to my channel. So we continue with our mango journey, and I'm sure you watched the mango milk. Kindly check previous video if you haven't. So today I'm sharing with you how I made this awesome mango ice cream or abele walls. It's so easy to make and I'm sure you're gonna love it as much as I do. So do stick with me if you want to know how it was made. Thank you. You can use fresh or frozen mangoes for this recipe. I'll start by adding 3 cups of mangoes, and I'll add some heavy cream followed by some condensed milk. I'll then blend into a puree. All ingredients used to be listed in the description box, so do check. So after blending, I'll pour into a bowl and I'll add some powdered milk followed by some condensed milk. Note, we are not using any sugar for this recipe. That's why I'm adding more condensed milk, because I'll set a trim. I'll then add a cup of milk and then I'll mix everything together. Kindly mix well to avoid any lumps, or transfer into a blender so you can get a better or a smooth outcome. So if you've watched till this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. After mixing, I'll then add some drops of vanilla extract and then I'll mix again. So for the thickness, this is how I want it, but you can add some milk to loosen it a bit. That's if you don't want it thick. So as you can see, I've already lined up my cups. I'll pour it into the cups and I'll add the sticks. As I was pouring, I realized that I was short of sticks, so I had to fill my cups in full, and I freeze this for 6 hours. So it all depends on your freezer. So after 6 hours, this is the outcome. Missy na eye kama papa, and they really enjoy this. All you need to do now is to put your abele walls in water for 2 to 3 minutes and then remove it from the cup. But just look at that. It came out beautifully and it was so nice. Thank you so much for watching till the very end, and please give a feedback if you try. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and then subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.